Welcome to the world of creativity. For Shivaratri, we are illustrating the moment Lord Shiva saved creation, becoming Nilakantha. My challenge today is capturing the profound stillness of Lord Shiva against the fierce protective love of Devi Parvati. Watch how I paint the glow of the venom that gives this scene its power. The essence of this piece is devotion. The composition needs to anchor Lord Shiva, the calm savior, while emphasizing Devi Parvati's protective love. I am carefully sketching the dynamic line of her arm, which leads the viewer's eye directly to the center of the conflict, Lord Shiva's neck. I keep their expression subtle, a look of quiet determination from Devi Parvati and transcendent peace from Lord Shiva. With the forms defined, I move to color blocking. I am using very deep, cool tone for the overall environment to emphasize the dark, chaotic nature of the Kalakuda that emerged from the ocean. These dark backgrounds allows me to push the contrast with our light source, which I imagine coming from the above, illuminating their faces, hands, and contours of the Kalakuda itself. For Lord Shiva's body, I am focusing on smooth muscular rendering, but the lighting is soft across his torso to give him an ethereal quality. Devi Parvati's hand is the final boundary. To make her hand look soft yet firm, I use warm, highly blended skin tones that catch the light and stand out against the cool, dark tones of Lord Shiva's throat. The blue throat's glow. It is the heart of the painting. Now that the base color is set, I am using dramatic directional light to highlight the tension. I am adding layers of deep light indigo and cyan to create a vivid, almost glowing effect on the throat, making it look like the Kalakuda venom is burning from the inside out. The texture here is crucial. It's not just the blue skin, but a contained, powerful cosmic force creating hard shadows on the body below it. And there it is, the moment Lord Shiva took the Kalaguda poison into himself, becoming Nilakantha to save the universe. The powerful legend reminds us of the profound significance of Shivaratri, a night of devotion and sacrifice. I hope this illustration process inspires your own creativity. If you loved seeing this process, please hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. And before you go, don't forget to check out my older video